So, you've been diligently Acorn ing for a while now. You're watching your little investments grow, and a part of you is probably itching to see those virtual dollars turn into cold, hard cash. But how do you actually withdraw money from Acorn? That's the burning question, isn't it? Let's dive in. First off, let's talk about Acorn. If you're new to the platform, it's basically an investing app that helps you save small amounts of money automatically. It rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the difference. Over time, those little acorns can grow into a mighty oak. But life happens. Maybe you need the money for a down payment on a house, a medical emergency, or just a well-deserved vacation. Whatever your reason, withdrawing from Acorn is a process you need to understand. The good news is, Acorn makes it relatively straightforward. The bad news? It's not as simple as clicking a button. There are a few steps involved. Understanding your account type. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, it's crucial to know what type of Acorn account you have. There are primarily two. Individual retirement account, IRA. This is for long-term savings, typically retirement. Withdrawing money before retirement age usually comes with penalties. Taxable brokerage account. This is more flexible. You can withdraw your money whenever you want, but you'll likely owe taxes on the gains. Knowing which account you have is essential because the withdrawal process differs for each. Withdrawal process for a taxable brokerage account. If you have a taxable brokerage account, the process is generally simpler. Log into your Acorn account. This is the first step, obviously. Navigate to the portfolio you want to withdraw from. Acorn might have multiple portfolios, so make sure you're selecting the right one. Initiate a withdrawal. Look for a button or option labeled Withdraw, Sell, or something similar. Specify the amount. Input the exact amount you want to withdraw. Choose your withdrawal method. Acorn likely offers several options, such as transferring to your bank account or requesting a check. Confirm the withdrawal. Double-check everything before hitting that final confirm button. It's important to note that there might be fees associated with withdrawals. Check Acorn's fee structure to avoid surprises. Withdrawal process for an IRA. Withdrawing from an IRA is more complex and comes with potential tax implications. Determine your withdrawal type. There are different types of IRA withdrawals, including traditional, Roth, and early withdrawals. Each has its own rules and tax consequences. Check for early withdrawal penalties. If you're under 59 and a half and withdrawing from a traditional IRA, you'll likely face a 10% penalty. Calculate your taxes. Withdrawals from a traditional IRA are generally taxed as ordinary income, while Roth IRA withdrawals are tax-free. Initiate the withdrawal. The process of initiating a withdrawal might be similar to a taxable account, but the options and consequences are different. If you're unsure about any of this, consulting with a tax professional is highly recommended. Additional considerations. Market conditions. Withdrawing during a market downturn can impact your overall return. Consider timing your withdrawal carefully. Minimum withdrawal amounts. Acorn might have minimum withdrawal limits. Check their terms of service. Withdrawal fees. As mentioned earlier, there might be fees associated with withdrawals. Factor these into your calculations. Tax implications. Understanding the tax consequences of your withdrawal is crucial. Consult a tax professional if needed. Conclusion. Withdrawing money from Acorn isn't rocket science, but it does require careful planning. Understanding your account type, the withdrawal process, and potential tax implications is key. Remember, financial decisions are personal. What works for one person might not work for another. Always do your research and consider consulting with a financial advisor if needed. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Remember to add relevant visuals, such as screen recordings or animations, to enhance your video.